What's the meaning of adversarial? Adversarial. 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 Adversarial refers to a situation in which two entities are working against each other. In the context of machine learning, it refers to the use of adversarial examples to test the robustness of a model. Adversarial examples are inputs that have been intentionally modified to cause a model to make incorrect predictions, even though they appear identical to the original input to humans. The goal of this testing is to ensure that the model can accurately predict outcomes even when it encounters unexpected data.